सहयोगी द संडे गार्जियन और न्यूज एक्स आज दिल्ली के होटल ताज में एनवायरमेंटल कॉन्क्लेव का आयोजन कर रहा है।
In education, and we have already started. When I was environment minister, we started a program of school nursery. The concept is that the forest department will help schools having their own nursery, and every student will sow a seed and grow a small plant out of it. Throughout the year he will take care. He will learn how nature works, how nature grows, and how the plant grows. So he will see it, पौधा कैसे बढ़ता है, and then he will also grow with it. And after the annual examination, he takes that as his own creation, and then he goes and plants in his own at his own house. If he doesn't have the space, he will go to everybody and request that this is my tree. I want to plant in your land a compounded compound. And then people will definitely, this will really bring it ownership. You must create your own oxygen bank. That I have to tell them. We must create our own oxygen bank by planting trees, by having cleaner practices, and all those things we need to tell. And one thing has happened, because sensitization of children are telling now parents that don't buy firecrackers. This is a change which has brought by students, and this I want to make it more frequent in all aspects of environment.
Okay, if I just take it a step further, sir, I know the large part of your new education policy plans are meant to reduce curriculum and get into work-oriented training and teaching. Is there a space in universities, for example, to be teaching the clean technologies, carbon capture technologies, encourage them to get them into clean technology startups? How do we do that, sir?
I think it is a doable thing. There are many environmental courses. There are more environmental degrees. People are going to environmental because India is already practicing sustainable environment friendly. See, let us understand what is the world scenario. We have only today, as of today, we have only 25 cars per 1,000 population. America has 810. And Japan has 620, Europe has 500 plus. So all these are, though they may be using Euro 6, which we are also going to use now from this year in Delhi and next year throughout the country. So we are also graduating to that cleaner fuel, but that's a government's commitment. That's a government investment, and that we have done. And so all this must be known what we have done. I will tell you one example. Because I signed the Paris Agreement on behalf of India.
You were
so we did many things. During the course I'll tell many things. But we have levied carbon tax. It is 400 rupees per ton of coal production. It's $6. It's huge. When I told this, that we have taxed coal production by imposing $6 per ton of coal production, everybody was stunned. Ban Ki-moon asked me, how could you do it? There are so many parties. I said, yes, we have 36 parties in parliament. But let me tell you, this is India, democracy is best, that no party opposed this tax and everybody supported this idea. And he said it can't happen anywhere else. American John Kerry and others were saying, oh, that can't happen in America. The parties can't agree, but we have agreed. So this is our commitment. Earlier there was no tax, only 50 rupees tax. We have taken it to 400 rupees per tax. So this is the commitment of Narendra Modi ji for environmental. And despite what happened post-Paris, I will not like to comment on that, but I can say India's unwavering commitment to this. Our Solar Alliance initiative is also example of this, because solar initiative is bringing all countries in between the Capricorn and दोनों विषुववृत्त और मकरवृत्त के बीच में जो सारे देश है, कर्कवृत्त और मकरवृत्त के बीच में, तो उन सबको इकट्ठा लाना, that is really was the challenge, and that we have done successfully. And solar, which was costing 19 rupees, is now 2 rupees 50 paisa, 60 paisa. That is the rate where we have come. So this has succeeded beyond our imagination, and therefore India is walking the talk. Others need to take lesson from India. That is the position. India is leading by example.
That's fascinating because you're speaking of your experiences of India leading by example. Why is this government felt, in your opinion, sir, that this was something that we need to take a global leadership role on? Because obviously there is a direct impact, a cost this faces to the environment, cost to GDP. How have you computed this, and why is it so politically important to you?
No, it is very important, but let me tell you, India took very decisive leadership program to conclude the Paris Agreement. It was not otherwise possible. When I went for Paris, even my some cabinet colleagues were suspecting whether the basic will remain basic, because Brazil will go with ultimately with America, Russia is already with Europe, then South Africa will also go with America, and China at the last moment will turn away from India.
तो आपने प्रकाश जावड़ेकर